Review of rules. Add er at the end of one-syllable adjectives and some two-syllables adjectives to make comparative forms. For other two-syllables adjectives and more syllables, use more before them. Use than after the adjective when comparing. Review of rules 2. Use the following formats to form superlative adjectives. They, plus adjective, plus est, for one-syllables and some two-syllables adjectives, for example, big, the biggest. They, plus most, plus adjective, for other two-syllables and more syllable adjectives, for example, modern, the most modern.
Quiz 1. Use the comparative and superlative form of adjectives to fill the blanks. Food is important.
Water is food. Oxygen is 1.
Ben is a rich man.
Bill Gates is Ben. Elon Musk is
Jane is a happy woman.
Fred is Jane. Jerry is
The dogwood tree is a small tree.
The redbud tree is dogwood tree. It is tree.
Alan is a careless driver.
Mary is Alan. Jack is driver.
Platinum is expensive.
Gold is platinum. Diamond is
John is tired.
Chen is John. Meg is